Today is day 12 for my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 12. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So here's door number 12. It's on the bottom in the middle. And this one says, thinking of you. And today we have Cherry Elderflower spread. It's a beautiful dark red burgundy color. Very, very thick. And it has a very mild flavor. Surprisingly mild. It's kind of weird because it doesn't really taste like cherries to me. Like if I ate this and I had no idea what it was, I don't think I would guess cherry. It's not even particularly fruity. Maybe I'm getting more of the elderflower flavor, which to me doesn't have much flavor. It's an interesting jam. So to go with today's fruit spread, I'm going to make some farmer's cheese pancakes. They'll almost be like a cheesecake pancake. So I'm using my Christmas mug as a mixing bowl. I'm adding 1 egg, and I'm adding about 2 ounces of farmer's cheese. Farmer's cheese is like a dry curd cottage cheese. It's kind of similar to a queso fresco or even a ricotta. But it's dry. It's a dry, soft, white cheese. I'm adding about a teaspoon of sour cream, or like a heaping teaspoon of sour cream. That'll give the pancakes a little bit of like a cheesecake flavor. Stirring that in. The batter looks pretty good now, but I'm also going to add about a heaping tablespoon of almond flour. So that's a nice thickness. So I'm not going to add a sweetener to the pancakes because I'm eating them with the jam, which is really sweet, but I am going to add just a little bit of vanilla extract. And a tiny bit of baking soda, maybe like 1/8 of a teaspoon. So here is my Dash Mini Griddle. The blue light is on, which means it's heating up. Once the blue light goes off, then we're ready to start making our pancakes. All right, the blue light has gone off. I'm going to add some batter. I'm adding 2 heaping tablespoons of batter. Let's shut that, and we'll cook that for about 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now, and I'm seeing a lot of steam coming out of this Dash Mini Griddle. So let's open this up. And that's what the pancake looks like. It's really puffy and it's nicely browned. I'm gonna leave it in there the full 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna burn? Is it gonna get too brown? Because right now it looks good. And it will be puffy because it's mostly egg and cheese. There's only 1 tablespoon of almond flour in it, so it doesn't really have like the gluten from regular wheat flour. Look at all the steam coming off the side. Okay, it's been a full 3 minutes. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to say that's done. And I'm going to take it out. Will it come out easy? Or is it going to get all messed up? Oh no, look. Coming out pretty easy. It looks good. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Look at this one. This one's really nicely browned. So here are the farmer's cheese pancakes, or we can even call them the cheesecake pancakes. I haven't tasted them yet, but the batter tasted a lot like cheesecake. I'm gonna grab my cherry fruit spread and spread it on this one. That looks so good. I'll spread some on the bottom one also. So here we have the pancakes. They look delicious. I just grabbed a fork. They're very light. They definitely have like a cheesecake flavor to them. They're so good with the fruit spread. These are really, really good. So because the pancakes don't have any sugar or honey or anything, they're not sweet like a cheesecake. So if you can imagine a cheesecake that's not sweet, that's what the flavor is. So they're actually almost a bit savory, but because there's such sweet fruit spread on top, it balances it out really, really nicely. They're actually very light because they're mostly egg and farmer's cheese. And so that is how I'm enjoying my fruit spread today from this Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else is in this Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very happy holiday season.